Local news for Wednesday the 5th of July. New World is partnering with well-known registered dietitian Sarah Elliott from Food Savvy to raise awareness of the important role that food plays in bowel health. Sarah will do this by sharing practical advice with consumers in store at 5 New World stores located across Hutt Valley and Wairarapa during the first half of this month. The timing and location coincides with the rollout of the National Bowel Screening Program, which starts with those living in the Hutt Valley and Wairarapa DHBs from this month. The Wellington Gold Awards are being held tomorrow night in the TSB Arena in Wellington and feature several Wairarapa businesses up in several different categories, other likes of Rival Wealth, Clearville Bakery, Wiz Wireless, Pukaha Mount Bruce and Toast Martinborough. And in sport, the Wairarapa Bush Secondary School's under 15 and 16 women's team did well in Lebanon at the weekend. Though they lost their first game against Honolulu Kapiti 17-0, they won their second against Wanganui 22-17. And in tonight's college rugby at Trust House Memorial Park, Makolda play Wairarapa Gold at 5:15, Wairarapa Blue play Kiranui, and Rathkill Development play the Rathkill Third 15 at 7:15.